There's no reason to worry. There's plenty of fucking people willing to do the job.
They could do the job, but can they do it right?
That is the question, isn't it, asshole?
You know what happened to fucking Antonio, right? Snitched. He's a fucking rat.
Who, Antonio's a rat?
Antonio
Fat Antonio?
fucking was singing like a canary.
Fat Antonio has a bird's beak?
Not Fat Antonio. Not Fat Antonio, the fucking little guy, man. Come on.
The little guy? The small guy?
He had a beak the size of a fucking
Yeah, I know the guy with the fucking long bird's beak.
toucan.
A toucan Sam from the cereal.
Forget about it. He's gonna be singing like a canary down at the factory. Listen, Gregory seen him at 7 o'clock. Took a photo of him. He was with the fucking man in the orange suit.
Your little friend was down here yesterday chirping like a canary. Telling everything. Everyone's business. How do you have a kid like that in your camp?
Oh, yeah? Because he also tells me everything.
As I expected.
And he told me a lot of fucked up shit about you, Tony.
Oh, what'd he say?
He said you were singing like a canary.
He said I was singing like a what?
You were singing like a canary, man. We're all fucked.
I'll flip this fucking table on your face. Asshole.
And what's that gonna do? Fuckhead.
Nothing, I guess, huh? Right? Good for you. Good for you.
Let's agree to disagree. You don't repeat anything I said, I don't repeat anything you said. We walk away from this table, conduct our business as we do it, and that's that.
End of story.